Hey guys, today I want to teach you guys to teach your bird to wave just like Suki's demonstrating for us here. And I don't know if I've posted it yet, but we also have a new bird. Her name is not Tokyo. We're still thinking of a name to name her, or my dad, because she is his bird. So back to the waving. You're gonna want to start with basically giving your bird a step up, but don't let him completely step up. This is how your wave will look. So you see how I just let him touch my finger and I don't let him completely step up. You're going to want to do this for quite a while until they start getting it. And don't forget to always give them a treat right after they do it. So you guys can see here that I start moving my finger. So I'm basically wiggling my finger just like you would do when you're waving. And now instead of just having that one finger, I'm adding all my fingers and I'm moving all of them. And you could start taking your hand slowly further and further away from him until you could, turn your hand still pretty close to him. Eventually, you'll be able to just wave at him and he could do the signal. Even at the start with just one finger, I would always tell him to wave so that I can just give that command without actually physically waving, and he could do it because he knows what that command means. So with the baby girl, that's what I've been calling her, I've just been doing step-up training because she is very new to all of this. She can't do the things that Suki can do. So we're doing step up, and every time she steps up, when I say step up, she gets rewarded. And we played that little game of ladder. I don't know what people call it, but she eventually got tired of it. But I did reward her because she was doing it. Want to introduce you guys to someone. This is my phidippus regius. Her name is Kyoto. I caught her last October in 2021. Here are a few pictures of her. And little did I know when I caught her, she was pregnant. So her egg sac hatched yesterday. They're the cutest, but I'll let you guys go. With that said, I hope you guys have an amazing weekend and we love you.